We'll guide you through how to appear offline on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. So you may have gone and found that others can go and see when you're online, or you've noticed you can go and see when others are online. And so you don't want people to be able to go and see, you want to go and just appear offline. I like to do this because otherwise people go and expect to reply to their message. Maybe they sent you a reel and they want you to go and see it. And perhaps you don't want to. You just want to go and be able to use Instagram and people not know that you're using it. For example, if I press messages at the bottom here, I can go and see this account here is online. It appears at the top of the list, and also to the left of the message, it's got the little green online icon, which I don't want. I want to go and appear offline so people just leave me alone. So we're going to guide you through the setting you can change to achieve this. So come to your profile page in the bottom right, as I am here. Next, you need to go to the top right and you can go and press on the three lines to open up settings and activity like so. Then in here, you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for messages and story replies in how others can interact with you. You can go and tap there. Then you can go down and you'll find the option for show activity status and you can go and tap there. And then what you can do here is go and switch this off because it says allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or when you're currently active on Instagram apps. So I'll go and switch that off and that's it. I'll now be appearing offline.